Hello guys, today I'm going to explore about plugins or interceptor in Magento 2. So what is plugin exactly? A plugin are generally uses in Magento 2 for override the default functionality of the Magento. So we can use plugin, we modified the core Magento public class only or method by intercepting a function class or running code either after, before or around. So we should know about the plugin we can only use for public method only. So there are some restriction for plugin, means we can say limitation like final class where we cannot use final method, final class, non-public method, class methods such as static method, construct, virtual object that are instant Magento framework interception are is bootstrapped. So that this all these things are theoretical things. So we can just take a simple example. So how can we override the default functionality of Magento? Let's take the example. Here it is the price is price name is Lorem, and its price is 35 actually. So exactly here the Lorem product having price is 25, but I have just increased that by 10, means previously it was 25, by adding 20 10 now it is showing here 35. The our module, inside the module, we inside the etc folder, we have a di.xml file, and inside the di.xml file we have defined here pl type plugin. So this is Magento catalog model product. This is a core instance. In that instance product.php, the core method is defined inside that, and inside the type tag plugin, the name attribute is there. You can put anything, and this type explore hello world plugin product. So this is the path, so that we can just where we want to implement exactly. So you can implement anywhere, and this is a sort order, that is one, so that if we can use for multiple plugin for the particular method, so that we can assign sort order 0 1 2 accordingly, it will work. Okay, so etc, so this is the explore hello world plugin product. So we can go here. This is app code explore hello world plugin. Inside the plugin product.php page, this is the namespace and class product we are using here. So we can see here this is the public function, so that's why we are using here plugins we are able to use here. So that function get price, this get price method is showing in the core function, in the core Magento. Yes, so this is a vendor Magento module catalog model. Inside the model product.php, so this get price we are using here using the after method. So before method we can use here after, we can also use here before, around, depends on what task you want to do. Okay, so just we are adding here plus 10, so that we can just put here 20. So after saving this, we need to do catch flush. So the unit price is 25, so right now it should be, so right now it should be 45. Okay, so that in that way plugin is working. So we can one thing we should always remember regarding the plugin, we can only use for the public class, we cannot use the other thing.